At Country Leisure, we ask ourselves an important question. How can we make hot tubs easier to own? In an ideal world, your hot tub will always be clean, hot, ready to use, without the hassle of draining, refilling your spa every few months. You want more joy with less effort, and we get that. Today, we're excited to announce a product that does just that. Introducing the Freshwater Salt System by Watkins Wellness. The Freshwater Salt System features an unparalleled patent-pending design that keeps water clean and clear for a full year when properly maintained. Using a disposable chlorine-generating titanium cartridge, this breakthrough innovation makes water care simple and affordable. No itchy, dry skin or eyes, just clean, soft-feeling, and odor-free water that looks and feels great. This system is fully integrated and easily accessible from the top. After 4 months of use, the owner can change the cartridge in seconds. No need to drain the spa, disconnect any wires, or call for maintenance. We believe this is the very best solution. Therefore, we are making it available to our customers of Caldera Hot Tubs. Water conservation is at the forefront of Freshwater Salt System innovation story. The Freshwater Salt System answers this call by preserving spa water for a full year before draining and refilling are required, and making a saltwater solution more affordable. More spa owners can take advantage of this opportunity to conserve. Less impact, less work, and more play. That's what Freshwater Salt System is all about. Country Leisure. Just add water.